Hi everyone, I Archita Maurya along with my team members Archana Madesha and Ayushi Singhal are here to present our final year project, Crime Detection and Alert System. We prepared this project under the guidance of Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering Department, ABS Institute of Technology. Our problem statement is to develop a smart system for tracking the criminals and crimes using crime records and reported complaints for increasing the safety of people. For this issue, we propose the system that allows users to report crimes. It enables the users to ask for help in just a single click in case of any emergency. Users will be able to check the safest route between two locations using GPS. In case if any suspicious activity, users can post it live so that it gets into notice. Before finalizing the features, we researched through various papers and applications. We found out few disadvantages in the previous systems that are needed to be modified. Previous systems doesn't allows verification of posted crimes that may lead to generation of fake news rapidly. To overcome this, we are publishing the data after verification by the admin in our system. In case of emergency help, the users can post the activities live to ask for help from nearby users, but this will also be verified within 24 hours. We approach towards the solution by deciding the features first. The users will be able to check the complete details of a person if he or she is a criminal. System can track the user location to alert for any crime activity. User will be able to contact the police and other organizations directly for help. System also allows users to record any suspicious activity and post it live, which will be notified nearby users and police officials. For development of this system, we have used Android Studio for front-end, Java and ML algorithms for back-end, and for database, we have used SQLite and Firebase. This use case and flow diagram demonstrates the design of the application. As mentioned in the use case, there will be two types of users, general users and the administration. The login sign up, crime search, notification alerts, contact emergency are few activities for both. General users will also be able to report crimes, call on emergency numbers, post live crime activities, and the admin will be responsible for adding, deleting, and verifying the records. This flow chart explains the flow of the application. After logging in, user can choose from 5 different options and act accordingly. All the data that enters into the database will be verified by the admin. We divided our application into 5 modules, which are GPS tracking, live post, newsfeed, face detection, and emergency calling. Now, I would like to show how the user authentication is done by the help of this video. Whenever the user opens the application, user will have to choose between the login and the register option. This is the registration window. And now this is the login window. We have saved, this is the authorized data which exists in the database. This is the home page of our application, and these are the various options which are available in our application. Now, moving towards the modular implementation of our first module is GPS tracking. It allows users to find out the safest route between two locations. When user enters the source and destination location, the system checks for the safest location with the help of safety ratio, which is decided on the basis of number of crimes and user reports on that route. Then the application navigates to the Google Map application to display the selected route. Now we would look into the application with the help of this video. Here the user is entering the source and the destination location. Now on clicking on the display safest route button, the Google Map application is opened up, displaying the safest possible route. Now moving towards the next module.
Hi, I Archana Madesha. Now I will explain the next module, that is emergency call. This one is very quick and important for everyone, as user have to just click on the emergency button and it will dial the call to the police station and they can ask for their help. So this will help police to reach the location at time and save individuals' lives. So this is the implementation of that when user click on our application, then the emergency button will be available on the right corner of the app and user have to just click on that. And after that, it will call to the nearest police station. And this is all about the emergency call button. Now moving to the next module, that is live posting. So in this, whenever user suspects any criminal activity is happening near them, then they can use our application to click the photo of that crime scenes, and also they can post it live and all the other user will be able to see them and make themselves alert. So this module helps the people a lot. So now we will see the implementation of that module. So this is the implementation, that there is a add button in the bottom of the application. Then user have to choose the photo from their gallery that they have clicked. So they have multiple options to select from various locations in their phone. And after that, they have to just upload. Then it will show that it is uploading. After the photo is uploaded, it will show that image is uploaded. So this is about the live posting. Now we will move to the next module, that is news feed. So in news feed, the news module is used to deliver some latest news to the user so that whenever they want to read it, then they can access through the news section. Also, it helps user to save time as they need not to go to another website to search about it. So now we will see the implementation of the news feed, that is here. So whenever user enters into the dashboard section, then there is a news feed section available. Then they have to click and user can search various news according to them, and also they can visit the detail page of that news that they want to see. So this is all about the news section. Now moving to the next module.
Hello, I am Ayushi Singhal. I am going to explain the module named Face Detection. In this module, when the user wants to check the person's crime record or history of the crime, then he uploaded the image of the person whom the user wants to confirm. So by uploading the image, the crime type of the person is shown. As in the implementation part, we can see that the person, this is the home screen, as we can see that the person upload the image and the features were matched through the Euler-Jonas database. If the image matches from the database, then it will give us the crime type of the person, as it is chosen the image of the person and it is shows that it is rapist, snatcher, kidnapper or murderer. Now moving towards the database storage. So all the data and records are saved in the real-time database. It includes like user details. Now we have moving towards our future scope. In future scope, the public vehicles can be connected to all to app for the safety purpose. It can also be connected through the CCTV cameras. So from all the modules, we can conclude that the criminal activities are increased rapidly, and so there is the need of the system to track these activities and to take action against them. Now we will can check towards the references. Now the references, these all are the references from where we have taken the source data. This is all about our project named Criminal Alert System. Thank you so much.